Hey there, family. Welcome back. And for those who are new to this channel, welcome. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Erica Akins here, owner of C2E Designs and Decor LLC, along with my husband, Charles Akins Sr., and my son, Charles Akins Jr. And in this video, I will be showing you behind the scenes footage for my husband's birthday. Yes, it is this week and just a couple of days. So I've already been making preparations. And so I'm down to the point where I will be blowing up the balloons and putting on the last finishing touches. I can't wait to see the outcome, and I can't wait for you all to see the outcome of it as well. Anyways, enjoy this video. And as always, if you have any questions, don't forget to email us. Our email is info@c2edesigns.com. And you can also visit our website. It's www.c2edesigns.net. Enjoy. Have a blessed one. In one of our previous videos, we prefer ironing and or steaming our fabric. So here we are, ironing the drapes and the runner. Here, we're installing the drapes with each panel being approximately 10 feet tall and 5 feet wide. And as you can see, the color is midnight navy blue. And our sincerest apologies for the dust particles flying around. Here's a lesson I learned. In order to scrunch the curtains together at the top, ensure you have more than one pair. For instance, I had two 5 feet wide curtain panels for a 10 feet wide backstrap stand. However, it wasn't enough to scrunch the curtains together. Since it was too late for me to purchase anything else, I fortunately had two black sequin curtain panels in stock, and it turned out pretty nice. This life-size photo backdrop of my husband was printed by Sticky Wall Vinyl. It's a store on Etsy. It's 6 feet tall and 4 feet wide. And the backdrop, it came folded. So once I unfolded it, I sealed the lines on the back with duct tape so that it could stand. I also purchased an adjustable pedestal poster sign stand from Amazon around the same time. And the adjustable height is up to 80 inches. Oh, look at my hubby. Doesn't he look so handsome? I also like to set up and place the props prior to installing the balloon garlands to get a visual of exactly where to place the balloons. So also, instead of flowers, I added some green plants, some greenery for a more masculine look and feel. It's now time to blow up some balloons, and I'm ready. I have my gospel music on. It's Vincent Bohannon playing in the background. I have my electric balloon pump, my 24-ounce cup of water, and let me get a quick sip. My small personal fan for those waves of internal infernos, and my fake me out tambourine, aka paper plate. And you may even see me praising the Lord. So come on and join in. I use 4 colors for my balloon garlands. It's a brown coffee color, gold, navy blue, and sand. And I purchased 2 packs per color. Each pack had a little over 100 multi-size balloons. I started out with 8 clusters, which is 2 clusters per color, and per garland for the base, and each cluster was made up of 6 balloons. Building my balloon garland, I use 260s to connect the balloons, and you can also use fishing line or tie the necks together, as I always mention in my videos. Installing and attaching the balloon garlands to the arch stand, I use these black clamps and 260s. Once I hang the base of the balloon garland, I begin building out the garland by adding additional clusters for more volume. It helps give it a fuller look. And I alternate between 260s and rubber bands to connect the clusters. Just taking a quick look prior to adding the 5-inch fillers. I'm now installing the balloon garland for the second arch stand, which is located on the other side. I pretty much completed the same process as the first arch. I'm stepping back and taking a look at the second garland. Another lesson I learned, I sometimes feel as though I need to use all the balloons that I inflated. And guess what? You don't always need to do that. If your garland appears to be already full, don't worry about it. And look, I'm being transparent about this. I blew up way too many balloons. Look at this, a bag full of balloons. And let's not stop there. For my cutouts, I would recommend using a glue stick as opposed to the glue spray or wood glue, because once the glue dried, there were one too many wrinkles. I'll know what to do next time.